Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DSEE Extreme for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application. If you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to device settings. Then right here we are in a sound, so we need to scroll down again, and at the last line we have it. So if this slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled, and to enable it just tap on it. If the slider is colorful, it means that it's enabled, and to disable it also tap on it. Now what this technology do? It boosts compressed audio like MP3 or streaming using AI, restoring coarse details for clear and richer sound. So if you have a normal DSEE, it do not use AI, but we have DSEE Extreme, so it's even better than a normal DSEE. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.